Hi, my name is Ni. So today I will teach you English to Hmong. Nhớ trong nhà của bé hùa ní nó của yo là kiaภาษาอังกฤษภาษา Hmong ตรงนี้ใช่ได้ยัง So today we go the lesson now. แต่ฉันเป็นการสอนบทเรียนอย่าง So today we learn English to Hmong language about the question words. Hùng nó bây giờ muốn kể cho ภาษาอังกฤษภาษา Hmong เกี่ยวกับ double question เนี่ย Number 1 What ได้จี What ได้จี The number 1 What do you like to eat ก็เนี่ยนอได้จี What do you like to eat ก็เนี่ยนอได้จี We go number 2 What is this? What is this? No your dachi. What is this? No your dachi. No your dachi. So we go number 3. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? Cosa yua dachi. Cosa yua dachi. So we go number 4. We go number 4. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ko tato wa dachi. Ko tato wa dachi. So we go number 5. What is your name? What is your name? Kolumbe hulicha. Kolumbe hulicha. So we go next one. We learn about who. Who. Link to. Link to. Link to. Who. Link to. So we go number 1. Who are you? Who are you? Go your link to. Go your link to. Shall we go number 2? Number 2. Who is he? Who is he? Nu your link to. Nu your link to. Shall we go number 3? Who do you wait? Who do you wait? Go to link to. Go to link to. So we go next one. That could be where. 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 Khó từ. Khó từ. So we go number 1. Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow? Có yomu khó từ ta kì. Có yomu khó từ ta kì. So the next one could be number 2. Number 2. Where is it? Where is it? Nữ nho khó từ. Nữ nho khó từ. Where is it? Nữ nho khó từ. So we go number 3. Number 3, okay. Where are you from? Where are you from? Có tua khó từ tua. Có tua khó từ tua. So we go. So the last one. Thank you for watching. Qua chào down down. Qua chào. Bye bye. See you next time.